Yan, ang mga mais ko, lalaki na. Na ano pa sa ulan kagabi, sobrang lakas. Yun, natumba tuloy. Ayusin ko pa yan. Yan ang palaya, gumapang na. Tapos ang lago ng mga kangkong, halo-halo at saka kamote. Talaga na, hindi na maatugulay. Ang aking gabi, naglalakihan na din. Galing pa ng Quezon Province yan, oh. Ang kaway-kaway, anak, mautan yan. Dalawang klase ang akong alugbate, puti at saka pula. Harvest again na, harvest daw uli ugkoan, sitaw. Where?
Is that a vegetable?
I don't know what kind. This one, oh, that's the one, the fruit.
Is that this?
Yeah,
But
that's the one.
they're no good to eat now.
No.
What colour? Yellow?
Green. Green.
So they're dead.
Yeah, they are dead. It's ready to plant again.
Do we want to plant
Dami na. Oh, dami ng sitaw na naman. Ah, kuka-harvest lang ni Makmak. Binigay na namin kila Kathleen. Dami na, oh. To harvest.
Again, look, that's...
Again. Ayun, doon pa sa dulo. Daming bunga. But this one, Makmak said, my love, this one is good because it's crunchy. You need to harvest this one later. We
This
need to
one?
harvest. No, this one, it's crunchy if like that. Hanggang doon yan.
But they were happy for us to pick them, aren't they?
Yes, we harvest again. Harvest again later.
That's only in the last couple of months, you know.
The other day, Makmak harvesting a lot.
I know, and I did it twice last.
Ang hahaba na, oy. Hindi natin abuti ng kasi magulang, hindi masarap to, malutong. Tingnan nyo ito, ba? Pag umabot na ng ganyan, hindi na siya masarap. Kaya hindi na namin yan, ayan, oh. Hindi na namin pinitas yan. Hindi na yan masarap. Yan, ito, oh. Harvestin na. Ha? Oh, harvestin na natin to. Sus, magkuha na lang tayo ng
You already take the calamansi off.
Where?
Off those ones, because there was some.
No, I didn't. Pugad, may pugad dito, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Inugada ng ibon yung aming halaman. Hala, tingnan nyo. Nangingitlog yan sila dyan. Hinahayaan lang namin. Dyan sila, gustong-gusto nila dyan. What's that? The white one. Mulaklak na yung hibiscus namin, white one, oh. Oh. Ang aking roses, tingnan nyo. Napagkaganda yan. Galing kay my friend, yung kulay yellow na yan. Tapos yan, pinagsama-sama ko yung orange. Because of the wind last night. Yan, ang mga roses ko, sama-sama din sila. Sa Tuesday, madagdagan ko na naman yan. Dahil bibili na naman ako. Gusto ko sama-sama sila dyan lahat. Mga roses. Yeah, because of the wind.
That might
Yan,
grow.
oh. Grabe ang hibiscus, oh.
Can we fix that? I'll cut it. I'll cut it.
Yeah, you have to cut.
I'll
You have to cut that one, my
Well, I'll
love.
cut these.
I will try to plant this one. Give it to me.
I'll go and get it cut it. I'll cut that off.
Na kasi, Makmak said, the wind is very strong.
I didn't even notice. Look at the thing. They're quite big.
Oh, grabe.
When
Wala,
are you gonna
ganda
harvest
na.
them?
Tapos, look, my love, that's what I told you. Have flower more. Oh, kalamansi
How long
namin,
before we pull these off?
Yeah, you can harvest that one. This one, it's ready to harvest. Yeah, harvest din. Yan, harvesting na sa kami sa sili namin. Si husband kasi, siya ang taga-harvest ng sili. Yan, oh.
These ones I'll leave. I'll take this one.
Take that one.
Oh, look at these. The size of them.
Yeah, it's big.
We get them just about every day.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No need to buy na.
There's about
Chili.
$10 there in colds. What about this one? Leave these on?
Yeah, no
They're
need. Still small.
What size are they?